Hey everyone, today I am going to show you the essential sentence equivalency strategy. It's going to make sentence equivalency so much easier for you. And just because you're here today, I have a free gift for you, my top 5 tips to raise your GRE score 5 points fast. They really work, and you can find the link right below in the description. Okay, let's dive in. All right, this is called the hook and match framework, and if you follow this, you're going to avoid about 90% of the traps that the test sets for you. 4 easy steps. Step 1, read the sentence, get your own meaning into the blank before you look at the answer choices. Step 2, pick one word from the answer choices that's closest in meaning to the meaning that you put into the blank. That's your hook word. Step 3, ignore the sentence entirely. Of the remaining words, pick the one that's closest in meaning to your hook word. That's your match word. Step 4, put both words back into the sentence and make sure the sentence means the same thing with each word. Let's try an example. Despite its reputation for highly volatile strategies, in actuality, the fund was quite cautious in its investments, but nevertheless made a number of blank bets in the stock market. Okay, step 1, put your own meaning into that blank. I'm going to say risky or gambling. Step 2, now that you have your own meaning into the blank, now look at the answer choices and pick the one word, just one word, that's closest in meaning to the meaning that you put in the blank. And I think we're going to go with risky. That's our hook word. Step 3, forget about the sentence entirely. Just look at the remaining words and pick the word that's closest to risky. Does ill-advised mean risky? No. Does outrageous mean risky? Nope. Does prudent mean risky? No. Does speculative mean risky? Yeah, it could. Does judicious mean risky? No, definitely not. The word that's closest to risky is speculative. That's our match word. And finally, step 4, we put both of the words back into the sentence and make sure that the sentence means the same thing with each word. But nevertheless made a number of risky bets in the stock market, but nevertheless made a number of speculative bets in the stock market. Yep, they each mean the same thing. Those are our answer choices. Great work. Thanks so much for watching. Remember to grab your free gift. It's right there in the link in the description. And if you like more videos like this, remember to subscribe.